How do you get the best results from hair transplants? Well, some of this is in your control and some of it's not. It all starts with making the right choice of where you're going to have your procedure done. Probably not a good idea to go to the biggest discount clinic and try and find the cheapest price, because somewhere there's got to be corners cut. If you find some place that you can trust and has good value that you can afford, what can you do to help yourself? Well, first, you've already done the best thing. You've chosen a place that has a lot of experience, has great technicians, has good equipment, and is using state-of-the-art techniques. Beyond that, some of it you can't control, which is your health, your genetics. A lot of that is going to be accounted for by the doctor in the planning of the procedure, but some of it you just can't help. If you have health problems that might make the hair growth weaker, well, you might have a little bit less of a result than someone who's a little bit more vital and healthy. But there are things that you can do to help yourself get the best results. One is get good habits, stay healthy, continue doing exercise, eat well, don't stop your process just because you're waiting for your hair to grow. Make sure you do all the things that keep you healthy in general, and that will help the health of your hair. If you're a smoker, do not smoke. It's probably the #1 thing that will kill your grafts. Smoking is guaranteed to ruin a hair restoration because the hair is so fragile that in those first 3 to 5 days, if you get exposed to smoke, even if you're getting exposed to secondhand smoke, you can kiss a huge percentage of your grafts goodbye, and nobody wants that. You don't even want to be around secondhand smoke, so be careful about your environment. Don't do things that will challenge your health. Try and avoid things that are going to make you sick, and continue the healthy habits. Beyond that, there's not a lot that you can do to help yourself get a great result, but the good news is the vast majority of grafts that are placed are going to survive. Not all of them. What you see on that day 1 is not the way it's going to be, but it can be pretty close. Usually about 80 to 90% of the grafts may survive, and that's going to mean a lot of hair added to your scalp. So do the right things, avoid the bad things, and then have patience and wait for that great result.